Hello, I'm Emeline and this is our channel, Emeline and Dean. Today we are in Ubud and we're at the Ubud Silversmith. We came here last year and we made ourselves a ring each, but we're back again. We've really enjoyed it, so we're going to give it another go, make something a little bit different this time I think, and we're going to show you the process along the way. It's good fun, I highly recommend it, so let's go. Arrived and checked in. The first step is to pick out a ring. Now this is really difficult because there are dozens, if not hundreds to choose from, so it might be here in a minute, but let's have a look. We've chosen the ones. Dean's picked out his as well. Tough decision. I think we've gone through like 20 different rings each, but it should be fun.
Alright, rings have been chosen. That was actually quite a bit of a task. Now it comes over to the first part where of course we're going to melt some silver and see what we can make. Gone for 1 and 2. A little signet ring and kind of a little wavy snake ring. Em wanted to keep it similar to what she's currently got, so let's see what we can do.
Melted the silver, now we've got these little silver nuggets that I think we need to kind of stretch out, flatten, also get a bit of a round ring shape, so the expert's going to show us how. Now our little nugget is going to get rolled out to a really, really long strip of silver. And it's going through these plates here, but they're all different sizes, so you roll it, it gets thin, put it in the next one, until you end up with a really, really thin little bit of silver. So I've been doing this for a couple of minutes now, and it's getting thinner. It's a few inches long now. Still got a way to go, I think. Right, so what was a little nugget of silver is now much thinner, and it's about the same width as the ring that I've chosen, so on to the next step.
Alright, so I got away with this because my ring is quite thick, so I got an easy job really. Easy.
Right, so Dean's just deciding which finger he wants it on and subsequently what size ring he needs, so quite a lot of different sizes, but I think he's going to go for the pinky finger, same as me. Now it's time to shape it.
So I think right now we're shaping the ring, so because it's a signet I've got like a thicker square at the top, and of course the band is slightly thinner, so I think that's what we're making now.
Is that your chin?
Okay, so now we're trying to join the ring together, so we're using a couple of extra bits of silver to then join the ring. Just making a flat surface because the top of the ring is going to have a little bit of a square on it. So we're now making, yeah.
So Dean's just shaping his ring behind me, getting it the right sort of size for his finger, and also adding the little square on top to give it that little bit of detail. But they've got really good setup here at Ubud Silversmith. They've kind of staggered everyone, so everybody's on different workstations at different times, so there's not kind of like a backlog of people. There's probably about 10 or 12 of us here now, so all doing slightly different things, which, yeah, it's worked really well. So we came here before last year, but when we came forward, we were the only ones at the time doing it. So they've obviously, you know, got themselves out there a bit more, and it seems to be a popular little thing to do.
I think I've chosen a pretty difficult top to make here. So we're trying to get the square on the top of the signet to match up and sit on top of the ring, but of course we've got a square and a round piece of ring. Slowly getting there, it's going to take a bit of time. So we're now just filing down the ring to get a better shape to it, and I think we're going to be probably doing some polishing, and then this one's going to be nearly done, I think.
So I don't know if you can quite see, but this whole ring is all one strand of silver. So what we're doing initially is this little swirl at the top, and then I assume we're gonna get the measurement right, and then this little swirl at the bottom needs to be done as well, but say it's all one loopy bit of silver, so it's quite fiddly. Just filing down to make this little swirly bit at the top, so it needs to be quite thin. So I'm just filing down this bit of silver. I've just measured my ring size, done this little swirly bit at the top, and now the ring is getting shaped around a measure up stick thing, I'm not sure what it's called. But now just got to do this little bottom bit. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Right, so just thinning up this edge bit now to make the little swirl at the bottom. So this needs to be a lot thinner, so this is the technique. This bit looks super fiddly, so leave it to the experts. But we're nearly done though. So the gentleman asked me if I wanted any numbers on the inside, so I thought I'd put today's date because we often get little souvenirs and little things to remember like this, and without pictures would not have a clue when we did them. So put today's date, it's a nice little touch to remember when we did it. Onto the last section now, just behind me, where we're polishing our rings to make them nice and shiny. They're kind of like an off-white colour before, and like really a really flat finish, was really matte, but now the kind of polish that we put on it has made them really beautiful and silver and shiny. So we're nearly there, nearly done. It's been a really good process so far. We're probably one of about 4 people left now, so we've been taking our time. I think we picked quite complicated designs, but we've been in here nearly an hour and a half, 2 hours, so definitely feel like getting our money's worth. And for the price as well, we paid 700,000 IDR for both of us, so 350 each, and that included the silver, the whole teaching element that comes to this. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results, and of course it's sterling silver, so you know they're gonna last a lifetime, as we can see from the other one that I made last year. It's still in really good nick, hasn't bent at all, so yeah, really good. Final step is to give it a little scrub, this little toothbrush. I think we're there. It looks so much shinier now than it did 5 minutes ago after being polished, so really happy with it. Very happy, very, very happy. And I don't know if you can quite make it out, but got today's date in there as well. 9th of the 5th, 2024. We were here at Ubud Silversmith. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, of course.
Oh, 24, what does it mean?
Your
age?
No, my dad's age.
Oh, your dad.
Yeah. So,
Perfect.
over the moon. We're all done.
Thank you.
Alright, so that concludes our little visit to the Ubud Silversmith. Really, really happy. So this is the one from today. Got my last year one as well. They kind of follow a little similar theme of sort of waves and things like that. Dean's got his too as well. Yeah, really, really happy with them, and you can tell they're really good quality as well. So my one from last year hasn't bent or anything at all, and I wear it nearly every day. So really happy, definitely recommend. This is a must do if you pop to Ubud. We'll pop the details in the description below of these guys, their contact details, so yeah, definitely hit them up, give it a go.
See you in the next one.